internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video for you called Simplicity. I feel like this box isn't really giving away too much of the theme, so I'm really excited to open it. But before I do that, I wanted to show you guys this. If you guys watched my last Simply Gilded unboxing video, then you know that these foiled stickers, they were like on the inside of a plastic pouch, and the foiling stuck to the pouch and peeled off, like partially peeled off. So they sent a replacement as part of this order, and I'm so grateful. They look amazing, and I love this little like plastic sleeve she put it in as well. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys so you know that if you do run into any issues, just let them know, and I'm sure they'll look after you. Okay, so let's get on to the unboxing. And I'm just gonna pull everything out first. This is the March box. Yep, empty. I don't know how she's packaging things now, but they're so much better because all my things are arriving intact and they're not, like the box isn't squished or anything. So I don't know if it's the bubble wrapper that's coming in, but yeah, it's like so much better now. Alright, I'm going to put this aside and let's just get right into it. So I think I've had some of these before, like similar, where they're like bows, where you can clip this onto like maybe the ring of a ring bound planner just at the top. Or you've got a massive paper clip here, but with the bow, these are really good for adding a little bit of deco to your planners. I think this is a bracelet. This feels like a bracelet. Oh, cute. Okay, I already have one of these from a previous unboxing, and I think it was rose gold or something like that. But check this out. So this is actually amazing because this is kind of like a very soft pink onto silver, and I have never seen anything like this before. Don't you think that if big jewelry stores sold jewelry or metals in this color, it would just fly off the shelf? I feel sometimes rose gold can be like too strong or saturated, and this is kind of like a really nice balance. So it's a very nice soft pink. You guys can see it properly, but yeah, a beautiful silvery soft pink. Okay, I think this pouch has a lot of washi tape, so we'll use this, so we'll look at it later. And then, okay, we have, ooh, like a shopping list. Okay, let me open this up. This is so like farmer's market vibes I'm getting. So it's like a notebook. There's no stickiness to it, with some silver foiling. Then we have the cardstock, and then we have the stickers, which yeah, totally reminds me of picnics and farmers markets and everything related to that because of all the checkeredness and stuff. I'm a little confused as to the foiling direction though, because this looks silver, but these are gold. This is gold. It's like a light pink. I mean, it doesn't not go together, but yeah, I think that's just like, usually I feel like the foiling is pretty consistent, but here I think it's been like different types. Ooh, I did not see these bears. Bunny bears. This is cute. I love that she put this sheet in with this one because I find that sometimes she'll send them separate. Something about these stickers, they feel a lot more flimsy than usual, like thinner. Usually these stickers are almost like are pretty thick, but I'm just gonna open this up because it feels different to me. Yeah, this is a different sticker paper. Okay, so I feel like all the previous kits had like paper cardboard based stickers, so the stickers themselves were a little thicker than what I was used to. These ones are much thinner, and it's kind of like this, not vinyl, but waterproof matte sticker paper, if that makes sense. Like, it's not glossy except for the foils, obviously that would be glossy, but the sticker sheet, the paper itself is pretty matte. Yeah, okay, so she's updated the sticker paper. That's really interesting. I actually prefer this update over the previous ones. I never liked using the previous ones because it added so much bulk to my kits or my spreads and stuff like that. But this one, I think this is a lot better, much more suited. And then you have these ones as well, which I think is the same sticker paper. Feels exactly the same. Yeah, oh, that's a really welcomed improvement. I love that. Okay, so let's open up. Oh, yeah, so there is a notebook in here. Pretty sure it's a plain one. Let me open it up. So, yep, it is a plain notebook. And then, wow, there's like 5 washi tapes in here. No, 5, 6. Can't count, Celina. Seriously, 6. I really can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. What's wrong with me today? I don't know. There are a number of small defects with the new foiling on the pink and white bow washi set. We included the silver foil bow set to replace this and gifted you the oops rolls as well. Please note that since the pink and white rolls are oops, they will not be replaced or refunded as they are free bonuses. Oh, okay. Well, that explains why there's so many in there. Guys, before I get into the washi, look at the inside. it's actually embroidered Simply Gilded. I love that touch. Okay, so which one did she say were the defects? She had the pink and white ones, so these ones like have defects in them. I mean, they look fine to me. I see nothing wrong with them. Maybe mine are fine. I don't know. Yeah, let me open these all up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, all the washi tapes. So traditionally, just kind of exclude these two. It should only be 5 washi tape, but because there were like defects with this one, they've added these 2 as bonuses. I don't see any defects. I think the washi tape is probably clear, which is why it looks like the bows are repeating. I love this one. I feel like I could use this so much. The bows obviously are a staple in any Simply Gilded boxing. And then there's some floral ones here, and this one says bright and happy. So overall, I am loving these washi tape. So yeah, I'm going to test out this pen quickly. I'm pretty sure it's going to be like every other pen that we've tried on here that have come from Simply Gilded. They're very similar. They're like this. Ooh, okay. They're like a gel pen, a black gel pen, and usually you do need to just twist this a little bit just to make sure it's tight, because sometimes it can come a little loose. And yeah, super easy. It just glides on the paper, very inky. And I'm pretty sure this gel would work on the stickers too if you wanted to. I'm not going to write on the stickers right now because I do want to save them for potentially a spread. I don't know, I'm kind of in 2 minds. I want to do a plan with me with Simply Gilded stickers, but I don't think there's enough stickers for me to comfortably do one on camera. So I might test drive one on my own first. But yeah, that is everything in this month's March Simply Gilded unboxing video. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.